Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can play spin and also claim the rewards. This is the gym simulator for beginner. All you have to do now for your first day player, you can get reward from spin and at the sidebar. See beside the starter pack, you can play this spinning wheel. So you can get a spin per hour if I'm not mistaken, or you can buy a Robux to get 100 spin, for example, for a 10 times spinning for 500 Robux. And also this is the gift for your friend. So here we go, let's play spin. I got 4 times spin. Click the spin button, and now we got energy drink. Okay, let's try again. Another energy drink. And we got protein bars and 9%. Oh, we got 2 more spin. Okay, essential oil. Another essential oil. And the hardest part is this guy. This is the trainer. Only 0.1% chance to get this Planet Samurai trainer. So you can get 120% muscle growth and 50% of competition bonus. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the next button below. See you in the next video.